Dear colleagues, in this video we're going to show you how to fixate the rotary hinge of the CAYMAN nonlinear junction detector. Now, as was previously shown, the handle is wobbly and it doesn't tightly screw up the antenna module of the device. So to fixate this handle, it's necessary to pull the handle backwards, fixate it in a single position, and tied up the knot or screw of the antenna module. Also, do not forget, it's done like that. And it simply can be untied and then screwed back, and we see that the antenna is tightly put in its place. So thank you for watching.